Hey guys, happy Friday. You know what today is? Funny Friday. Here's your joke. What did the ocean say to the pirate? Any guesses? Nothing. It just waved. Get it? Wave, wave. You got it. Happy Friday, guys. Welcome to your last day of this week. It has been a really great week. I don't know about you, but I just really enjoyed this week. Today, for your sharing and your greeting, please log into Flipgrid, and you are going to share with us what you are going to do this weekend. What is something that you are looking forward to? We have a student in our spotlight today, and then please check in and tell me how you are feeling. You are going to do a fun activity today. There's a video called Who Am I? And they are riddles. And then you are going to create your own Who Am I riddle. So you're going to just give us clues without telling us your name. And then on Padlet, we are going to type in some answers to our riddles and guess who that person is. That shall be fun. And then in math today, you're going to log into iReady, play as many learning games as your heart desires. Then we're going to look at elapsed time. That means if right now it is 1 o'clock p.m. and I have to go to the store at 2 o'clock p.m. And how much time will it take for me until it becomes 2 o'clock? That's an example of elapsed time. So you are going to look at elapsed time today, look at about one video, and then answer a few questions on how much time has passed between different times, okay? Today is your last day for your special. So if you've only done one special activity this week, try and do your second one, and then make sure that you submit that specials back to the special board. Sound good? Happy Friday! I can't believe here we are. There's only, I believe I'm right, 3 more Mondays left in this school year. And then it will be summer. I can't believe it. And I am really looking forward to the first day of school next year, being able to see all your faces and give you all hugs because I miss you so much. And I hope you miss being in school too. Right, guys, have a wonderful day and have a fabulous weekend. See you.